And now it is on adverbs. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word that describes a verb. So we have adverb and adjective both. Adjective is a word which describes the noun, and adverb is a word which describes the verb. Commonly, the adverbs are formed from adjectives. For example, the adjectives kind, happy, wonderful, loud, sad, beautiful, and sweet. These adjectives, you can frame it into adverb by adding ly at the end. Kindly, happily, wonderfully, loudly, sadly, beautifully, sweetly. Like this, when you add ly to the adjectives, the adverbs can be made. So now we have many kinds of adverbs. For example, adverb of manners, adverb of place, time, frequency, purpose, quantity, degree, affirmation, and negation. So here first it is adverb of manners. In adverb of manners, it describes the way people do things. How do they do? He was driving carelessly. So in this, driving carelessly, how does he drive? So this is called as adverb of manners. Adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency means how often an action is being done. I'll never make that mistake again. So here never is the adverb. It denotes the adverb of frequency. Adverb of time. It gives the answer for the question when. So this is called as adverb of time. For example, the train has already left, or we moved into our new house last week. Like this, when the action takes place is called as adverb of time. Adverbs of quantity or degree. To what extent something has happened. For example, the sea is very stormy. I am rather busy. He was too late, too careless. So this shows to which degree the action is taking place. Finally, it is adverbs of reason. Here, the adverbs it will denote the reason why the particular action is taking place. He is hence unable to refute the charge, and he therefore left school. Thank you.